Hello everyone, welcome back to the School of Mathematics Nigeria. Today we'll be treating examples of indices. This is a series, it's part 3, continuation from where we stopped from the last class. So if you've not seen the previous videos before now, so you could get what we mean by indices, please do check them and check the laws of indices too. So for today's first example, we'll have 19 raised to the power of 0 equals what? From the laws of indices, we know it will give us 1. We said anything raised to the power of 0 will always give us 1, right? And then another law of indices says when your bases are the same and your power are different or the same, just add the powers if you are multiplying those two bases together. The rule says add the powers together. So there you have 10 raised to the power of 5, which you can also write as 10,000, right? So for our third example, we have two same bases dividing each other with different powers. So because of the division sign, we'll subtract the power. That's why we have n raised to the power of 5. So for the fourth example, we have anything raised to the power of a negative number will give you 1 over the positive number. That's why we have 1 over 5 squared, which gave us 1 over 25. So for this example, we have a power to another power. So what do? You multiply those powers together. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 6, which will give us what? 64. Thank you. Please check the previous videos before now so you can get what we're doing, because we already have the rules there. So in a case like this, we have two different bases, not the same bases, but the same power, okay, multiplying each other. So what you have to do is multiply those two bases and pick just one power. That's what one of the rules of indices says. So this will give us what? 3 times 2, it gives 6 raised to the power of 2, which will give you what? 36. So 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. So for this second one, we have the same thing, but in this case, we have division. So you know what to do. You divide the two different bases and put just a power. 3 over 2 will give us 1.5 raised to the power of 2. That's why we have 2.25. I'm sorry this video might look a bit all over the place. Promise to do better next time, okay? So for the next example, we have 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2, which will give us 4 raised to the power of 3 root 2. So because for square root, we do not always write 2 because it's already denoting square root. It's already denoting 2. So there's no point writing 2. I don't know if you get it. But if you have cube root, fourth root, you have to indicate it. But for square root, you don't put 2. So 4 cube will give us what? 4 times 4 times 4, which will give us what? 64. So the square root of 64 will give us what? 8. Okay? Yeah. So I think that's all for the examples. Yeah, so going through the examples again, just take note of whichever you understand, and as always, please ask your questions in the comments section. If you have any questions to ask, whatever topic you would like for us to treat, feel free to ask. Do not forget to follow us on every social media platform: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and even TikTok. Yes, TikTok. And as always, we always have assignments at the end of every example. So please feel free to do this assignment and leave your answers in the comment section. Do not forget, you can always ask questions whenever you're not clear about something. Until next time, bye.